Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I know in my monthly update videos, the total of my portfolio on my spreadsheet and the total of my portfolio on Robinhood do not match up. And there's a reason for this. That's because I own some non-dividend growth stocks. When it comes to these stocks, I'm trying to make a little bit of profit and reinvest that into my dividend stocks. This is the list of stocks I'm currently keeping an eye on. I look for good entry points with these stocks based on how they are performing. I then will take anywhere between 5 to 20% profit, but this is all based on how long I've been invested in that stock and how much money I have invested in it. The two stocks I currently own are Humicide Incorporated and Synergy CHC Corp. As you can see, I'm currently down on both of them, but this is just a waiting game, waiting for the markets to turn around. As you can see, with my non-dividend stocks added to my spreadsheet, my account is currently valued at $39,320.04. The dividend yield is skewed a little bit as these companies don't pay dividends. It now only pays me around 4.67% annually. This would be $1,835.31 annually, just under $153 monthly, $35.29 weekly, and just over $5 daily. These growth stocks can be split into three categories: long-term, medium-term, and short-term buys. When it comes to long-term stocks, I look to take a profit anywhere from 6 months to 1 year. Examples of these companies would be Humicide. When it comes to my medium-term stocks, I will hold these anywhere between 1 month to 6 months, depending on how soon they become profitable and at what percentage they are profitable. Examples of companies are Palantir and SoFi. And when it comes to my short-term stocks, these are stocks that I'll hold anywhere from a few days to about 4 weeks, depending on what the market is doing. Examples of companies would be SNYR and SENS. When it comes to the duration that I hold these stocks, it all depends on what is happening in the market currently as a whole. So let's take a look at what I have bought and sold so far this year. My two most notable sales would be Nvidia from January, where I made 19.13% profit, and my Humicide sale, which happened recently, the end of May, where I made just under 107% profit. As you can see, so far this year, I have made $1,693.80 in the sales of these growth stocks. This is an average of 25.21% profit, which is a great return. You can see that I do buy in and sell the same shares over and over again. Some will be one-time buys, some will be multiple buys. But it all depends on the market and what the company is doing and whether or not I feel the company is at a good entry point and at a place where I can see myself making 5 to 20% profit. Thank you for watching. I hope this has given you more insight into how I invest, trying to get the best outcome for my portfolio every year. If you'd like to follow along on my investing journey, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.